Hey everybody, this is Lee from King Harvest and kingharvest.org. I'm here to ask and answer a couple of questions specifically about diabetes that some patients have been asking us. So see if cannabis oil can help, how it can help, and how to obtain safe and properly made medicines. So I'm here with Bridget today.
Hi.
And we're going to ask and answer a couple of questions.
Okay, so the first question is, how does cannabis oil help with diabetes?
Cannabis oil helps with diabetes by resetting glandular thyroid function. I myself, years ago, was suffering from diabetes and had Hashimoto's as well, but properly made CBD-dominant cannabis oils, specifically from the ACDC plant strain, was able to reset my thyroid function, my pituitary adrenal axis, and then restabilize my metabolic function. I suffered from neuropathy, diabetic neuropathy, and bilateral numbness, both of which were improved greatly. As you know, those are symptoms of diabetes as well, both of which were improved greatly by cannabis oils. So one mechanism in the cannabis oil will actually reset your thyroid and in many, if not most cases, eliminate the diabetes. And then the THC parts of the compounds will help you with the symptoms.
So, how does cannabis oil work with diabetic-related neuropathy?
Well, THC, as you know, is a very powerful pain reliever. CBD, as you know, is a very, very powerful anti-inflammatory. If you take medicines in combination from the right strain source, it'll both help you with the pain, but deal with the underlying cause, which is going to be related to inflammation.
So if someone's been using insulin shots for 30 years and it's been working fine for them, why should they try CBD oil?
Well, if it's working great for you and you have no complaints whatsoever, then by all means, consider sticking with what you're doing. But if what you're looking for is an alternative to having to take an injection on a daily basis, right? Take pharmacology, manage your diet, need to do physical rehabilitation, all of the things that come along with a diagnosis like this, cannabis oils can actually seek to restore you and make you younger on a day-to-day basis. They will give you energy, make you more plastic, meaning more flexible. Mm-hmm. They will give you back the ability to produce your own body's essential oils. It's as simple as that. We age, we get older, we don't make our own essential oils. We have an endocannabinoid system. If you take cannabis oils, it resets your organic computer and you don't have diabetes anymore. Simple as that. Re-regulation of blood sugar. Insulin is trying to mask and create a false result, but the CBD part of the mechanism actually organically gets you better. I myself had Hashimoto's, diabetes, and I haven't had a sign of it for the last 8 years.
So if someone's constantly weak and tired because of their diabetes, is taking cannabis oil going to make them more tired?
Well, no. So again, diabetes is a blood sugar regulation problem, right? You don't have enough uptake in your blood sugar, you're going to be sleepy and tired. So re-regulation of that mechanism is going to naturally give you more energy. In addition, the different types of cannabis strains, you take them at different types during the day. One will give you energy, one will make you sleepy. So at night you take a medicine that makes you sleepy but improves your homeostatic function. During the daytime you may take a medicine such as King Harvest's Uplift that will give you energy, be pain relieving with the neuropathy, but will not at all make you sleepy. So if you take the right medicines under proper guidance and if they're properly prepared, then no, it will not make you sleepy.
Okay, and so can cannabis oil help somebody get off their diabetes medication if they want to?
Yes. Re-regulation of your blood sugar, pain management medications, sleep aids, psychological, behavioral, emotional symptoms, pharmaceuticals, all that kind of stuff. Cannabis oils are a safe and healthy alternative to get you off all of that pharmacology and to restore your bodies back to its natural, pristine state. The reason why you endeavored to take the pharmaceuticals in the first place was because of a basic need, right? So necessity is the mother of invention. There is a better invention here to improve your system and to restore you to health, especially with diabetes. Cannabis oils from King Harvest and kingharvest.org are simply the best chance that a patient has to reversing the diabetic disorder before they're faced with taking Western pharmaceuticals. Or it's the best choice they have to get off of Western pharmaceuticals. Either way, it's a win-win. Cannabis has never hurt anybody.
So glaucoma is a side effect of diabetes. Does cannabis oil help with that?
Yes, so we lower inflammation, we lower system pressure. Ocular pressure is part of that. In the eyeball, it is inflated to a certain amount of PSI, pounds per square inch, right? So if we reduce that ocular pressure, we can increase the eye's ability to focus. We can increase the electrolytic muscular conductivity. People see a more relaxed eye, and then when less headaches, and then when you're needing to use your eye and focus, you're back to having sharper, more focused vision as though you were much younger. And it also will get rid of the floaters too, as we all have those.
So another symptom of diabetes is appetite. Will cannabis oil help stabilize an appetite?
Absolutely. So indicas tend to stimulate appetite and make you hungry or give you the munchies, right? If you have diabetes, you don't want to do too much of that because that's going to mess with your blood sugar. Sometimes food issues, food addictions can cause diabetes, and it's the chicken and the egg. So in many cases, if we can regulate appetite, also we can deal with the underlying trouble of the diabetes. So if you want to slow down appetite, we want to take King Harvest's Uplift, right, which is a sativa infused organic coconut oil. If you want to increase appetite, you're going to use King Harvest's Unwind, which is an indica infused organic cannabis oil medicine. So small doses of that can regulate and adjust the diet and one's appetite very, very well. And most, if not all, patients report dramatic improvements in that area.
Great. And where can we get these medicines?
As with all disorders and diagnoses and questions, feel free to call us directly at King Harvest and kingharvest.org. Our number is 877-469-4584. We're here for you to answer your questions without obligation, and we really hope to hear from you soon. We're seeking to put each patient one by one back onto their own personal journey of healing. So please give us a call. Again, it's Lee and Bridget from King Harvest, kingharvest.org, 877-469-4584. Give us a call.
Happy healing.
Happy healing. Hi everyone, this is Lee from King Harvest and kingharvest.org. I wanted to take a moment and thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe or click on one of the videos to your right. Further, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. You can also visit us at kingharvest.org. Thank you again, and happy healing.